California is making history as the first state in the nation to serve as a sanctuary for transgender youth and their families.
This new law, signed today by Governor Gavin Newsom, is in response to dozens of bills in 20 other states which aim to restrict access to gender-affirming medical care. In some cases, parents could face criminal consequences for seeking care for their kids.
CBS 8's Richard Allen shows us how this new state law would protect those families, as well as reaction from those that oppose the law.
California must step up and provide refuge to these transgender children and their families by making clear that they can come here and we will do everything in our power to protect them.
Democratic State Senator Scott Wiener proposed SB 107, which positions California as a sanctuary state for transgender youth and their families, coming from conservative states where they could be penalized for seeking gender-affirming medical care.
These laws and executive actions literally threaten jail time for parents for providing an affirming and loving home for their children.
So far, every proposed law criminalizing gender-affirming care in other states has been delayed by legal challenges. But Kathy Molig, founder and executive director of Trans Family Support Services, based here in San Diego, says it's only a matter of time.
This is really necessary because what we're seeing is politicians across the country using our transgender youth as their political pawns.
Under this new law, California courts would be banned from enforcing subpoenas requested by other states about gender-affirming care for minors and prohibits healthcare providers from releasing medical information.
Even just the fact that we as a state in California are going to provide this safe haven helps families in other states to know they're not in this alone.
This legislation has generated intense opposition. Republican State Senator Melissa Melendez says she believes while transgender youth deserve protections as well as mental health care,
but I don't think the state of California should be stepping in and facilitating that. That's not our place.
And in response to the bill signing, the California Family Council said, quote, by signing this extreme bill, Gavin Newsom is telling all parents across the country that he knows what's best for their children. Molig counters that this is life-saving care that these families are seeking.
Our youth deserve to not be attacked. They shouldn't have to struggle to get their medical care that their doctors say they need.
And keep in mind, this new law does not allow minors to seek medical care without parental consent. It's set to take effect at the beginning of next year.